Um, Look, yeah, we started off the IPL really well last year. Like you said, we faltered towards the end, and obviously we've learned from our mistakes. We've got a few exciting players. We felt like there were a few combinations that we fell short of last year, but we've tried to get a few players that will suit our style of cricket, and especially playing in Chandigarh, big ground. So we've got some really smart buys this year. So the team's looking good, well organized, and players fitting exactly into the roles we want them to fit into. So the preparatory camp has been brilliant. Everybody's playing well. Everybody's eager to get out on the middle and perform again this year. As far as personal goals, I don't really set goals for myself. It's about going out there, assessing the situation, and playing to the best of my abilities. And I want to win as many games as I can. That is the only goal that I go into a cricket match thinking about. Look, me and Chris have played together for a while. We've been part of RCB for 2-3 years, so I've gotten to know him very well on a personal level too. We had the opportunity to bat together there, and he's seen me as a 21-year-old boy. So I've gone up to him and learnt a lot from him about T20 batting or just cricket in general. So we enjoy each other's company, and you'll see that he's always up to mischief, always trying to pull my leg, and he's somebody who doesn't feel like a senior player in the dressing room. He's one of the naughtiest and mischievous guys in the dressing room. So it's great to have somebody like Chris, and coming to cricket, I don't really have to say anything about him. His stats speak for himself. He's the best T20 player there has ever been. So we're really happy to have the experience of Chris in the dressing room. He helps the youngsters as well, and we had great partnerships last year. Exactly what the team wanted us to do, and he was very focused last year, and again this year he's come back with a lot of energy. And with each year as he grows older, his energy is getting more and more exciting for us. And the form he's come into this tournament is definitely great for the team. Hopefully he can continue the same form, and me and him are looking forward to getting more and more partnerships together this year. Look, it's a 20 over game. I mean, each game is different. Each day we turn up different. We're playing different conditions, different opposition. So nobody has an edge over anybody in this tournament. All teams are fairly well balanced, and on that particular day, if it's mine and Chris's day, then it's balle balle for Kings 11. There are other exciting players as well in our lineup. So like I said, it's a well balanced team as far as I understand what I've seen in the last 2 or 3 practice games that we played. So we are really looking forward to going out there and enjoying each other's company and playing some good cricket. If we go by the last history of last 3 or 4 games that have been played here, the wicket has been a little slow and low. Even when we played last year was in a high scoring game. So like I said, we can't really go in with that expectation, or we can't really tell what the wicket is going to behave. Each year is different. This is going to be the first game, so might be a good wicket. When we played last year was towards the second half, so the wicket was a lot drier and slower, but there's a bit of grass on the wicket which probably will help the ball come onto the bat. So we're hoping that it'll be a good cricket match.
Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and leave your comments in the comment section below. Click on the bell icon for notifications.